Welcome to the demo from Canaries Automation. In this video, we would like to walk you through the demo for SAP Intelligent RPA 2.0 bot.
Hello, this is the SAP Intelligent RPA automation project to set out of office based on leave approval from searching from the mailbox. So this has mainly two automations. One is for searching emails and getting the necessary data from the mail, and other is for setting the auto replies in the Outlook. So this automation is used for setting auto replies in the Outlook, and this is used for searching mails and extracting data from the mail. So I will show you the email template from which the data is extracted. So this is the email template from which the from date and to date are extracted, and also the sender of the mail and the sender's email address is also extracted for the message box in the auto replies. So in the search email automation, I have used Open Outlook instance for opening the instance of the Outlook, and in this custom script I have given the today's date as output to get today's date for search criteria. In the search email, I have given two criteria. For subject, I have given the value as your leave application has been accepted, and date received should be today. So I have, after getting the search email parameters, I'm trying to extract get mail sender. So here I am getting the name of the sender. So then here I am getting the email address of the sender. So here I am getting the body of the email, and here I am getting the recipient name of the email received. So it is in the try catch block, because if there are no outputs from the search email, then I will get an context error saying that there is no output for executing these steps. So it is in the try catch block. So then I have given a condition stating that if this get mail recipient body is not empty, then I have to execute custom script and set auto replies automation. Then in this custom script, I am extracting the start date and end date, which is used as from date and to date here, and I am giving it as output parameters as dates for using in the set auto replies automation. In the set auto replies automation, I have taken 4 input parameters, that is start date, end date, and the sender information, sender's name and his mail ID, and the received mail recipient name. So in the auto replies automation, I have used start application, Outlook application. Then I will wait for the element to appear. Then I will use click and set to execute set of automations, and then I will lastly close the application. We can see the demo now. So the automation process is completed successfully, and now if I go to the Outlook email auto replies, So here the message and the start time and end time has been updated, and it is auto replies has been set. So this is the end of the automation. Thank you.
For more informative videos, do subscribe to our Canaries YouTube channel and visit SAP Intelligent RPA section on our website.